Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert 3D models into Microsoft Word documents. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab up at the top. And you want to select above Illustrations where it says 3D Models. Go ahead and left click on that. And you can search various 3D models from the Microsoft catalog here. And once you've found one that you like, you can just select the Insert button and give it a moment here. And you can change the dimensions and the orientation of whatever image you would like. So pretty neat feature here, guys. And you can see you guys can change the orientation of it. You can flip it around. You can change the interior angle of the positioning of the image as well, which is pretty cool, and at least I think it is. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.